Sanibonani Mzansi, ugcina Mkhize okhulumayo. Sengibuyile bakwethu, ngidinga usizo mayelana nalendlu okuyikhaya lami nabantu abami. Phela kwekhaya sinalo leli. Inkinga zami nalendlu zaqala ngo-2023 ku-October nge-3 lapho ibhange ladayisa lo muzi wami ngokungekho emthethweni. Ngiloku ke ngihlukunyezwa umuntu othi wathenga lo muzi kusukela last year ngoFebruary. Ungihlukumeza ehlangene nabangani bakhe nezihlobo zakhe. Ngiyakhumbula ngithi wayekade ephulelo lubonda lo bedroom yami wakhipha ifastela. Ngalibuyisela ifastela. Wabuya umfowabo waphinde waphula futhi. Ngiyabona silala kunjena nabantu abami bamantombazana. Silala kunje. Impilo zethu sengcupheni. Silala nje kunjena. Lo muntu owaphula amafastela umfowabo lo muntu owathenga lendlu. Wabophisa ingane yami yomfana ngokuthini uphumile wazama ukumstop ukuthi angawaphuli wonke amafastera lendlu njengoba ekade eshilo ukuthi uzowaphula wonke amafastera. Simoshelwe impahla zokugqoka lana bayasitswinya uelectricity nini asikwazi ukuconnecta kwi-electricity masithi sa recharge akurechargeki bafike bathempara nemeter lana the main box engalena benza ukuthanda kwabo. Time and again u-electricity asinawo asikwazi ukuconnecta and u-electricity lo esiwu-rechargeayo thina bayawudonsa bona uze kubona angazi ukuthi bayenze kanjani leyo nto. Usithi Power kade efikile lana ezokwenza ama-audit bayibona yonke lento eyenziwe labantu basihlukumeze ngey'ndlela ey'ningi ey'hlukahlukene. Ngibala ne-sexual harassment kuloko kulezinto abazenzile. Ngiwavulile inqwaba yama-case laphana eMondo Police Station akwenziwa lutho. Ngazama uku-applyela i-protection elentozeni la eBoysens Magistrate Court ayikho into eyenzakele akwenzakalanga lutho. Ngafaka i-rescission application e-High Court ngichallenge ibhange kulento ukuthi lidayise umuzi wami ngokungekho emthethweni. Kodwa lo muntu usekwazile ukuya la eBoysens Magistrate Court applyela i-eviction ufuna ukukhipha mina umagistrate wakho ungihleli lana ufuna ngifike nommeli engakamtholi ngehla ngenyuka ngifunana nommeli ozongirepresenta pro bono ngoba anginayo income. Ungihleli lana ke manje uyabona ukuthi ujaha ukungi-evicta ngize ngizibuza ukuthi is he part of le syndicate yalezi indlu na bayazana kwenzakalani angazi. Kodwa ngikuleyo pressure ngidinga usizo Mzansi, ngidinga umuntu ozongimela, umuntu otrainiwe oyilo practitioner and ospecializer kwi-property law angimele angisize ukuthi ngilivikele.
The veteran actress uMamgcina is at it again, guys. If you remember last year around this time uMamgcina waveza i-video whereby indlu yakhe idilizwa. Oh, that means bengadilizwa bokuphula amafastela just because the person bengadiliza le indlu later came on and said yena indlu ithengile and i-fault tax yakhe i-fault bank. The story, the way I understand it, is like uMamgcina failed to pay the bond or the house ahlala kuyo, and eventually we know that if you fail to pay indlu ohlala kuyo, the bank yayithatha ithengisele someone else. That's what happened ku situation kaMamgcina. So uMamgcina ufail ukuphuma endlini, and then the rightful owner is the guy who has been busy njengoba basho video ukuthi udiliza amafastela. My question is, this guy has given you a whole year. This thing happened last year around this time. Then the guy came out and said his side of the story, which made sense. This thing happened the whole year. The whole year you are still wanting lawyers so that you can get out of it. This is not fair. I feel like umama usebenzisa the privilege of her being an actress and her having a lot of following, knowing a lot of people, they'll take his side like a story more than Lalo Baba. Yes, it is said as a woman, yes, it is said as a woman, and we know the reality of abantu who are in the entertainment industry in our country. If you are no longer working, there's nothing you'll get. There's no way you'll claim the money. But unfortunately, that is how that is the career you chose, and that is how life it is. La, you understand? As much as we feel, but we cannot just be unfair to the rightful owner. Kamanga, this guy bought the house last year or way before, even up to today, which is so unfair towards the guy. I really don't understand why angaphumi, and I don't think ukuthi icourt ingamnika an invitation letter while the house is rightfully yours. So if you fail to pay the bond, guys, that is why it's very much important with my indlu, especially a loan. ufunde the contract or ufunde whatever thing you have with the bank, because that is what is happening. If you fail to pay that house, even if ungayibhadala 10 years, then you are left mhlambe with 5 years, let's say it's 15 years or it's 10 years, you pay there maybe 8 years or 2 years. Unfortunately for you, a bank has to take that house back. You understand? So I don't know ukuthi bakangazi umama before, but I think now the only way indlela ahamba ngayo is totally wrong. Yena kumele akhulumisane nobhuti kahle, mhlawumbe ubhuti amnike isikhathi, of which I feel umnike more than like asikho isikhathi esinjwa lesi amnike sona now. It's been more than 12 months ubhuti ufuna umuzi wakhe. So angi-understand ukuthi if athi lo bhuti lento ayenzayo wrong, ufika aphula amafastera kakhe, why angaphuma embophisa? So she knows she's just taking advantage and she's abusing lo bhuti, according to me. That is my honest opinion. She's abusing the rightful owner of the house just because I'm fuzzy, just because I actress, and just because she knows that ngoba she's popular, she's famous. A lot of people know her, they'll take her side of the story. But I, for one, I feel sorry for the rightful owner of the house. And I feel like 12 months is a lot of months, guys. Ngabe sekayenzile plan mhlawumbe abuyele efamily, or ngabe sekaphumile wacela ama-donation, some donate up until arente abuyele. Guys, this economy is hard for everyone. Let's just be honest. It's hard for everyone. Sonke siyazula, sonke siyatabala, sonke siyahereza. So it's not easy for anyone. So if uzo relaxa, it won't be easy even for you. Yabo kule 12 months ngabe uqale a podcast or something. Ngabe at least podcast like saying ama viewers now. Ngabe seka monetize, she's getting something. Or ngabe enza ama video like any other celebrities ku Facebook. Facebook is paying, guys. Ngabe seka thola something, then uyakwazi ukubhadala rent for ingane is like this is so unfair to the owner of the house. This is truly so unfair to the owner of the house. But again, so that's all for now. Please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.